Guys, Robert Cook once again. YouTuber name is Amanda Yan. This is my very first time playing it. Or being a YouTuber, I mean. And I'm building my third farm today, and when I'm finished, that will be the end of the game. Or the end of this video. So, how you guys been doing? Have you seen Track the Gamer? We're gonna do one of those like spikes. In a couple, in 1 minute, we'll do a light spike. Dang it, my donkey got in the way.
Naughty donkey. This is Craig Goldthard, gonna be recording today, guys. I'm replacing Dad for a little.
I also always wanted to be a YouTuber and a gamer, and looks like my dream has come true. And so, and my friend here,
Xavier Coulthard, that's recording. That's recording on Craig Coulthard YouTube.
He used to be a YouTuber until his tablet didn't let him YouTube anymore.
No, I can't record on screen.
Or won't let him record on screen.
It already has been a minute up.
3, 2, 1, like spike!
Like this video right now! I said like it! What? Now! Like it right now! Hit that button and like it.
And if you guys want to build this, I will let you know what this game is called. It is called...
Hit that like button before I smack myself in 3, 2, 1. I smacked myself!
And let's hope you like this video.
And I hope you liked Robert's little peek of his YouTube.
This is my first time, so I'm a little rusty. I have practiced being a YouTuber on my tablet, but I didn't actually download the YouTube app. So, yeah. Well, we're almost done here. So, as you see, when you get to a certain level, you have very limited blocks. Sorry, that was my wolf. That's trapped somewhere in the wild. Because I couldn't bring him back home, so he's trapped somewhere in the wild. Wolf showed up. Woohoo! We finished our farm. Okay, folks. Bye.